Using distance formula, if we have to show that triangle is isosceles, in that case we show that two distances are equal. 3 points will be given to us. So we will find out all the three distances, and out of those, if two distances are equal, then triangle is isosceles, because we know that for an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Triangle is equilateral. Again, you know, for an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. So what we do is, we find the three distances and show that all the three distances are equal. Triangle is right angled. For right angle triangle, just recollect the concept of Pythagoras theorem. In that case, again we find the three distances and we square those three distances. Then we show that square of one distance is equal to the sum of the squares of other two distances. Now, if we want to show that 3 points are collinear, again we find three distances and we show that one distance is equal to the sum of the other two distances. In right angle triangle, we show that square of one distance is equal to sum of the squares of the two distances, whereas in collinear we show that one distance is equal to sum of the other two distances. Now suppose 4 points are given and we want to show that parallelogram is formed. In that case, we show that opposite distances are equal. So if we want to show that 4 points form a rhombus, so rhombus is formed, show that all the 4 distances taken in order are equal. Now if we want to show rectangle is formed, in that case show that opposite distances are equal and diagonals are equal. Another, if we want to show that 4 points form a square, that is square is formed, then show that all the 4 distances taken in order are equal and diagonals are equal. Now suppose if we want to show that point lies on perpendicular bisector of a line segment joining 2 points, in that case show that distances of the point from the endpoints is same. So just remember all these concepts.